Good morning. Class 7, Unit 1, Supplementary. On Monday morning. Page number 105. A. Name the speaker. Lines from the lesson given here, and you have to write the speaker, children. Name the speaker. First one. No, never mind. It will be over by and by maybe. Don't call anybody. So who is the speaker here, children? Tom Sawyer. Second. It makes my flesh crawl to hear you. What's the matter? Who is the speaker here? Sid. Third. Your tooth indeed. What's the matter with your teeth? So who is the speaker here? Aunt Polly. B. Write true or false against each statement. First, Tom enjoyed Monday mornings as he had to go to school. Answer is false. Tom's first groan woke up Sid from his sound sleep. Answer false. Third, Tom wanted to give his dog with one eye to the new girl who had come to town. Answer false. Fourth, Aunt Polly sent Sid to fetch the dentist. Answer false. Page number 106. C. Read the following passage and answer the questions. Tom lay thinking. Presently it occurred to him that he wished he was sick. Then he could stay home from school. He examined himself. He found no symptoms of sickness and he investigated again. This time he felt he had a stomachache, but it soon grew feeble and presently died wholly away. He reflected further. So we have to answer the question, student. So question 1. Why did Tom wish that he were sick? Answer is Tom wished he was sick so that he could stay home from school. Question 2. What was the result of Tom's self-examination? Answer. Tom found no symptoms of sickness after he self-examined himself. Question 3. What did he detect? Answer. Tom detected that he had a stomachache. D. Think and answer. Question 1. How did Sid show his affection towards Tom? Answer. Tom's groans made Sid's flesh to crawl when he thought that Tom was dying and flew to call Aunt Polly quickly. Question 2. Did Aunt Polly believe Tom's groaning? Why? Answer. No. Aunt Polly did not believe Tom's groaning because his toe was not sore and he was not in a dying state. Question 3. What did Aunt Polly do to relieve Tom's toothache? Answer. Aunt Polly pulled out his loose tooth to relieve his toothache. E. Choose the correct answer. Question 1. Tom pretended his toe was dying in order to dash. 3 options. Miss school. B. Scare Sid. C. Make Aunt Polly feel bad. Answer is A. Miss school. Question 2. Aunt Polly pulled Tom's tooth out with dash. A. Her fingers. B. A pair of pliers. C. A piece of thread. Answer is C. A piece of thread. Question 3. Tom was miserable on Monday morning because dash. A. He was sick. B. He hated going to school. C. Aunt Polly was sick. So the correct answer is B. He hated going to school. Page number 107. H. Give a relationship term for the clues given. So first one is siblings. That is a brother or a sister. So siblings, a brother or a sister. Second, kith and kin. Friends and relatives. Third, a chip of the old block. Similar to father or mother. Fourth, 2 peas in a pod. Twins similar in appearance. Fifth, breadwinner. The family member who earns money to support the family. 6. Forefathers. An ancestor or a member of the past generations of one's family. I. Arrange the words according to the degrees of meaning. First one. Eager, thrilled, excited. So have to arrange it. That is excited, thrilled, eager. Second one, old, aged, senior. So how will you arrange this, children? Senior, old, aged. Third, small, tiny, minute. Small, same children as it is, small, tiny and minute. Fourth, worried, panicked, anxious. So first anxious, then worried, then panicked. So anxious, worried, panicked. Children, just listen to me here. That is in the book. Second and fourth one is different from the in the computer what it's given for you. So just take down along with this also. Second one, shiny, glow, dazzling. So the correct one is glow, shiny, dazzling. And the fourth one, cafe, smile, laugh. Smile, laugh, cafe. That is the correct answer, children. That is already 4 is given there. In that you have to add the second and fourth also. So learn this also extra in that. Okay. Then think and answer J. Question 1. X and Y are parents to Z. But Z is not the son of X. Then what is Z to X? The answer is a daughter. Question 2. Meera's brother is the father of Akash. Then how is Akash related to Meera? Answer is aunt. Already explained to you this in the class, children. Thank you.